Before starting a new business or investing into any business, VCs and angel investors need to understand that what if this venture became successful? What is the total market that can be captured or acquired through this venture? And that is understood by three matrices: TAM, SAM, and SOM. So in TAM, you are the only person. There are assumptions that we need to understand in TAM, that you are the only person in the industry with zero competition. What revenue can you achieve if you acquire all market? And second is, what is measured? It is the best case of business, that what if this business exceeded, what is the best revenue that we can achieve through this business? Why? Because investors need to narrow down. If they get approached by thousands of companies, they need to narrow down into one or just 10 companies. And these are important factors, specifically TAM, that what is the total market potential. Now question is whether is it possible to acquire all of the market? The answer is yes. If you could implement a perfect blue ocean strategy, you can acquire all of the market. There is a book called Blue Ocean Strategy by Rene Morben. In that book, it is clearly mentioned that how you can achieve a blue ocean strategy and how can you capture all of the market. So next is SAM. SAM means total serviceable addressable market. So it creates your own sub-market based upon geography, regulatory, pricing, and quality. So basically, it's the proportion of market you are potentially able to capture with your product or service, your business model, sales, or distributed channels. It is something that is based upon the model of a company, how a company is being operated. And it reduces the size of the potential customers from TAM, as TAM is totally about if there is no competition, but eventually there are some competitions. Next we talk about SOM. SOM is total serviceable obtainable market. What exactly is the SOM? SOM defines that the market you can acquire based upon limitation of your own resources or presence of competition that is doing exactly same thing as you're doing, and level of market awareness. So all these factors together create the total size of business that you can acquire. Let's take an example of a jewelry business. So first of all, we need to understand that how much people actually wear jewelry. So that is TAM. Next is SAM. SAM is serviceable addressable market. So based upon the delivery, like let's suppose you are based in US, you can't deliver your jewelry into every area of the world. Like you can't, if you are limited by your own resources, you can't deliver it to Nigeria, you can't deliver it to some other places. But physically, if you are able to deliver in just US only, let's assume, right, there is a regulatory in Nigeria that you can't deliver into it. So it's all about your regulatory pricing quality that is based upon your own businesses. Third is SOM. So let's assume that you are now servicing the industry, but there are 10 other competitors that are also servicing the same industry in the US. And people rarely know that why they purchase a certain type of jewelry. Let's say, suppose you are a diamond jeweler. So they are not particularly concerned about diamond jewelry, but they are concerned about any type of jewelry. So they are not being aware of why they need to purchase a certain diamond jewelry. So that narrows down to a lower size of market. These are the factors that you need to assume while starting a new business or investing in a business. Thank you.